Israel's real estate market faces steep decline in new starts. Source: Israenomics. Construction activity in Israel is experiencing a significant decline, primarily due to the country's economic situation. In the first quarter of this year, the number of construction starts decreased by 25% compared to the same period last year, making it the sharpest decline in recent memory. The real estate market crisis has had a profound impact on the construction industry. A 40% decrease in transactions has led to a significant rise in unsold apartments held by contractors. When apartments are not being bought, developers naturally reduce construction starts. Unsurprisingly, in the first quarter of 2023, only around 15,000 construction starts were recorded, a setback that may continue throughout the year. Tel Aviv remains relatively bright spot in the market. However, despite these efforts, the purchase of new apartments in Tel Aviv has declined by over 50% compared to the previous year, indicating a sustained downward trend. Developers would stop construction if they could, but contractual obligations to apartment owners and buyers prevent them from doing so. This has resulted in a discrepancy between construction starts, which decreased by 10% in Tel Aviv, and the purchase of new apartments, which declined by more than half. This has led to a significant increase in the supply of unsold apartments in the city. Though the exact number is not available at present, according to some estimates, the stock of unsold apartments has increased by approximately 2,000 units in the past year. Jerusalem ranks second in construction starts, with 4,005 housing units initiated between April 2022 and March of this year. While purchases of new apartments in Jerusalem also declined, the decrease was around 11%. The bad news is that it probably won't end there. Increasing interest and financing costs, along with falling flat purchases, are anticipated to cause further reductions in construction starts later this year. Nonetheless, hope is not lost. The situation can be reversed. Israel's government can take measures to help the country's construction sector recover from a recent slump. Government action to revitalize the industry and avert the current crisis is possible through demand-stimulating policies, infrastructure investments, financial support and incentives for developers. These measures would not only boost apartment purchases and construction activity but also contribute to economic growth, job creation, and the overall improvement of the housing market. However, it is worrying to observe that the government's current focus lies on other priorities, such as the pursuit of judicial reform, which may not align with the immediate needs of the majority of ordinary Israelis. While the issue of reforming the long-standing Supreme Court is important, it may not be a pressing concern for the average citizen. It is crucial for the government to shift its attention towards addressing the ongoing crisis in the construction industry. Please click the like and subscribe buttons. Want to be kept up to date on the latest Israeli economic and Israel news? Join the Invest in Israel community, israelinvestment.org/community while it's still free. See you in the next videos below.